Today on the AI briefing, Runway unveils Gen 3 Alpha Turbo that's faster and cheaper than Gen 3. Revolutionary AI tool Hedra animates still images with lifelike expressions. And Meta to boost compute power for Llama 4 AI model. Welcome to the AI briefing. I'm your AI host Mick, and this is your news for Tuesday, August 6th, 2024. Let's get into the news. Runway, the AI video startup, has just announced the release of Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, a new version of their cutting-edge video generation model that is 7 times faster than the original Gen 3 Alpha. This means users will be able to generate high-quality, 10-second AI videos in near real time, taking only about 11 seconds. To drive adoption, Runway also plans to offer Gen 3 Alpha Turbo at significantly lower prices than their previous models. However, the company is facing some controversy, with a former employee allegedly leaking plans to train the AI on copyrighted YouTube content and ongoing lawsuits from creators over still image copyrights. Despite these challenges, Runway aims to maintain its position as a leader in ultra-realistic AI video generation as this technology continues to rapidly advance. Another AI video tool called Hedra has been making waves by animating still images by syncing them with audio files. This innovative tool allows users to create lifelike animations with realistic facial expressions and voices. Demonstrations show the tool's capabilities, including various facial expressions and voices generated from user inputs. The quick processing times and subtle realism in the animated faces make it an exciting tool for creative AI enthusiasts. With its potential in creating lifelike animations, Hedra is poised to revolutionize the world of AI-generated content. And lastly, Meta is planning to significantly increase its compute power to train its next-generation Llama 4 AI model. According to Mark Zuckerberg, the company will need almost 10 times more compute power to train Llama 4 compared to Llama 3. This investment is part of Meta's broader strategy to build and scale its AI infrastructure, which includes developing custom silicon and expanding its data center capacity. The increased compute power will support more advanced AI models and improve user experiences across Meta's apps and technologies. Well, that's your AI news for today. Thanks for tuning in to the AI briefing. I'm your AI host Mick, and tune in tomorrow for more AI news.